Good morning, everyone. This is Nelson with Mr. Windshield Repair. We got a repair going on here on the CVR. We got two chips, but I want to show you something different. See, the windshield is wet, so we have repair right here and one here. They're very small, but the windshield is wet, so we're gonna drive the rock chip with this, because just in case you got moist in the chip. So we're gonna use this for the first time. And the way it works is we heat it up, you don't want to leave it too long. Because it might cause to crack more if you leave it too long, the heat. This is just so we can get the moist out. And then we go with the repair. We go clean the loose glass on top. See, now we're in the process of vacuum and pressure for like 5 times. It depends how long it takes to fill up the chip. So we're gonna show you the final result. I just want to let you know that we always do pressure and vacuum as many times as needed. Okay. So you wanna see the damage from the inside. How it looks. It's kind of going away. So we have those two going on. So now in the curing process, and then we're gonna flush, and we'll be ready. So let's see the final result. I think that's it right there. And this one right here, I don't know if you can see it. Let's go from the outside. It's right here. And this one right here. So this is Nelson with Mr. Windshield Repair. We just finished with one more repair, and thank you for watching. If you need any repair on rock chips or cracks, just give me a call at 281-799-7845 to schedule an appointment. Thank you.